brothers. In time, Eve had two sons, Cain, a farmer, and Abel, a shepherd. One day, Cain presented his finest produce to God, while Abel gave the best sheep. God accepted Abel's gift, but did not accept Cain's offering. Cain became jealous of Abel. God warned Cain that his heart had darkened, but Cain took no notice. Instead, he killed Abel. God knew this. When Cain returned, God was angry and cursed Cain. "From this day, you will be a restless wanderer, and no land will give you food." Cain begged God to forgive him, but God did not give in. However, God placed a special mark on Cain to make sure that no one would harm him. So Cain left with a heavy heart and went off to live in a garden to the east of Eden. The boat and the flood. Years passed by. There were many people living on the earth, but many of them had turned evil and had started disobeying God. This made God very angry, and he decided to get rid of them all and start again. There was only one man God was pleased with. He was Noah. So God told Noah, "I am not pleased with the world, so I am going to cause a great flood to wipe out all life from earth. Make a big boat and fill it with 2 of every kind of an animal, a male and a female. Store a lot of food for everyone to eat. Take your family into the boat." Noah did just as God had asked. He made a strong boat and filled it with animals and birds and took his family inside. Then he shut the doors. In time, the rain came pouring. Joseph is sold. One day, Joseph's brothers were off with the sheep to the mountains. Jacob sent Joseph to check on his brothers. His jealous brothers saw him and decided to kill him. "No, let's not kill him. Let's just throw him into the well," said Reuben, the eldest brother. Reuben did not want to kill him and planned to rescue Joseph later. The moment Joseph came, the brothers pounced on him, took off his special coat, and threw him into the well. Reuben went off to tend the sheep while the others sat down to eat. As they were eating, some merchants came there. The brothers sold Joseph to the merchants, who took him along with them. When Reuben came to know about what his brothers had done, he grew sad. The brothers showed Jacob Joseph's coat, which they had soaked in the goat's blood. Jacob cried and cried, thinking Joseph was dead. The steward's dream. The merchants sold Joseph to a man called Potiphar in Egypt. He was in charge of the royal guards of the Pharaoh. Potiphar was pleased with Joseph and put him in charge of his house. This made Potiphar's wife jealous. So she accused Joseph of doing something which he hadn't. An angry Potiphar put Joseph in prison. Among the prisoners was the Pharaoh's steward. One day, he went to Joseph to seek an explanation for a dream he had. He said, "In my dream, I had 3 bunches of grapes. I squeezed them into the Pharaoh's cup and gave the cup to him." Joseph said, "This dream means that within 3 days the Pharaoh will forgive you and you will leave the prison." Just like Joseph had predicted, the Pharaoh forgave the steward. The steward went back to the Pharaoh, forgetting all about Joseph.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.